Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Imran and I want to examine your foot. Is it permitted? So, can I examine it?
Yes, you can.
Oh, thank you. So, first of all, I will do inspection. In the inspection, there is skin discoloration of the foot, blackening of the skin, and there is one amputation of the big toe. And there are also skin changes on the margin of the toes. So I will inspect from down as well. Oh, there is a big ulcer on the plantar surface of the foot. It is about oval shape, 3 into 4 centimeter size, and I can check that there is induration of the ulcer, and I can see some granulation tissue in the floor of the ulcer, and there is induration of the edges of the ulcer. Edges are sharp, well demarcated, with induration and redness of the surrounding area, and blackening of the skin and fingers also visible from the plantar side. There is no other ulcer. There is some skin changes in the medial malleolar area of the foot as well. So after that, I will do for the palpation. I need gloves. Okay. So I will check for the ulcer. The site is plantar of the foot. Size is about, I will check exactly. It is 4 into 3 centimeter. Oval shape, punched out margins, and I can palpate the base of the ulcer. It is fixed. There is some tenderness. The area is reddened and it is fixed surrounding. So with the tissue paper or some clean cloth, I can check the discharge, zero sandwich in the area. Okay. So I will check the fingers. Yes, there is blackening and gangrene of the fingers. One amputation has already been done. The other foot is normal, except there is one skip lesion in the medial malleolar area. So now I will do the neurovascular examination. The two important pulses is dorsalis pedis. Yes, I cannot palpate, and posterior tibial, or the medial malleolus, and we can check posterior tibial. Again, it is not palpable. Okay, then I will go for the popliteal and femoral pulses. So after that, I will do sensations. This is with the wool examination, wool or some simple touch with the patient close eye. So where is I am touching you? Can you palpate or feel where I am touching? No? No? This is superficial palpation. We can do it with the wool or small touch. Okay. Then we will do with the pin or some pin. Pin is better. It should be clean and new pin for every patient. So we can check. So please close the eyes. So we will check towards the patient face. Is there any pain? If no pain, it means deep sensation or pain sensation has also gone. Okay. So this is neurovascular status. That is the after completing the popliteal and femoral examination. If the pulses are there or is visible, we can check for the bruise as well in the femoral and popliteal. So this will complete the examination of the ulcer. So we have differentiated it. Now we can ask the questions. What type of ulcer it is? So it is, you will say it is almost in the pressure area and punched out margin. So it is most probably trophic ulcer due to maybe diabetes, because there is no nervous system is not intact, sensory system, and pulses are not palpable. So there are also neurovascular compromise in this patient, maybe atherosclerosis or diabetes mellitus. and there is gangrene of the toes as well. So this shows that there is some arterial problem in this patient. And this is skip lesion. It means that arterial or atherosclerosis is towards the major arteries, either popliteal or femoral, or posterior that popliteal. So, and both pulses are not palpable. So it means it is arterial. So in this area, because there is induration as well, so it shows that it is an infected ulcer. Some infection is also going on, or inflammation is also going on.
Doctor, we have compared with other